Your workstation should be as dynamic as you are. That's why Fellows created the Lotus RT, combining the benefits of a monitor arm with a sit-stand workstation. The Lotus RT's flexible TriMotion arm provides an effortless range of motion, meaning you can sit, stand, and effortlessly collaborate with colleagues. The sturdy design of the Lotus RT securely locks into place and prevents sinking while typing. And the clamp mounting system allows for minimal footprint installation, giving you more room to work. The waterfall design with device viewing channel enables you to keep essentials within easy reach. And the cable management system keeps computer cables tangle-free with every motion. Smooth lift technology facilitates effortless movement throughout your working day. The Lotus RT comes with single or dual monitor arms to suit whichever way you work. Convert your desk into a dynamic and flexible workstation with a Lotus RT. Work better, feel better, effortlessly. From Fellows, a family business since 1917.